Oh yeah, I have my lemonade stand. My pink lemonade. Oh yeah. So I'm ready for some sales. To get the trophy with a diamond. Lemonade, 25 cents. Hey, what's up, Bluebird? Oh. Yeah. So you got some lemonade? Yeah. You got some money for it? Yeah. I'll go get it. Okay. Here's the 25 cents. Oh yeah. Alright. Here's your orange. Little tiny orange. Wait, what? Huh? Little orange. 25 cents. Hey, give me that to 25 cents. Why? Because there's a little orange. Oh, give me. Well, don't. This is stupid. Whee! Hello? Any customer? Hi. So here you go. I got to. Oh, thank you. So here you go, Toad. Right there, I just got an orange. Oh man, I love an orange. Gonna make another orange. Yep. Oh hey, Bluebird. I got some more. And it's for 25 cents. 25 cents? No, I don't want any of your orange. Well then, what are you doing here? So, I'm just here because I wanted to something. You see that thing over there? Oh, is that your lemonade stand? Yep, it's my lemonade stand, and it's pretty cool, and maybe we just move into the New York. New York? Bluebird, this is my neighborhood. It's my house up there. So, I'm here because. Then why didn't you go to Iceberg's neighborhood? Because I don't know where he fucking lives. Well, I don't think so. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my lemonade stand. Joe, do you understand? Your orange is a little bit black. That's gross. Only devils could eat little black stupid oranges. Gross. Bye, Bluebird. Oh my God. And next time, who do you think you are? What? Lemonade, 15 cents. What? Lemonade, 10 cents. Bluebird, I'm not going over this 1,000 times. Lemonade, 5 cents, and now. No, this is non-expectable. Okay, fine. 25 cents in this. Who wants some lemonade for 25 cents? Bulbasaur. Hey, look, Cody. It's all my Bulbasaurs. So, hey there, Bulbasaur. You want some lemonade? Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. Hey, stop! Look at my coins. Bulbasaur. Hey, you want an orange? Bulbasaur. Dang it! Cody! My name is not Cody, my name is... get back here! Thank you, Bulbasaur. Thank you so much, Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. Cody, what the heck are you planning at? What are you talking about? Stealing all my little customers and saying for like... always a little budget this. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. So, what are you gonna do? Just keep stealing my sales? Is that your idea? Yes. That's it. I'm gonna rough your lemonade, dude. I swear you, if you rough my lemonade stand, orange stand, I will call the police and take you to jail. All right, fine. All right, I need some more sales. Hey! Yay, my first customers! Yay, I got some sales. Hey, wait, what? Huh? I have an orange for you. Yeah, let's throw our cups. Wait, what? Nah, Bowie. Yeah. Burger. Here you go, one for each of you. 1, 2, 3. You're welcome. Yay! Woohoo! Hey, what you got here? Oh, yes, it's an orange. Well, here you go. Here you go, 2 of you. 1, 2. Yay! Come on, let's go. Alright. I wonder how much money I have. Let's see. Ow. Alright, let's see how much money I have. Oh, God. Okay, let's see. What? You gotta be kidding me. A little money? I freaking don't have a lemonade. Wait. I think I must have more sales. Alright. Lemonade, 25 cents. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I have lots of money. Woohoo! Yay, I'm gonna win. Yay! I'm gonna get it. Yay!